area where AI is making an impact in retail is in the development of autonomous retail technology. Autonomous retail technology uses AI-powered robots and other devices to perform tasks such as restocking shelves, cleaning floors, and processing payments. This can help retailers to reduce labor costs and improve store efficiency. However, there are also concerns around the use of autonomous retail technology. Some critics argue that the use of robots and other AI-powered devices could lead to job displacement and the loss of human interaction in retail. It is, therefore, essential for retailers to consider the ethical implications of using autonomous retail technology and to ensure that they are implementing these technologies in a responsible and sustainable manner. Another area where AI is making an impact in retail is in the development of smart supply chains. AI-powered supply chains leverage machine learning algorithms to optimize the supply chain process, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products to customers. By analyzing data from various sources, including weather patterns, shipping schedules, and customer demand, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that can help retailers make better decisions about inventory management and logistics. For example, some retailers are using AI-powered predictive analytics to forecast demand for products and optimize their inventory levels accordingly. This helps retailers to reduce inventory carrying costs, minimize stockouts, and improve their overall supply chain efficiency. Other retailers are using AI-powered logistics optimization tools to optimize shipping routes and delivery schedules, reducing shipping times and costs. One of the most exciting applications of AI in retail supply chains is the use of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger system that enables secure and transparent transactions. In retail, blockchain is being used to create more transparent and efficient supply chains by providing a secure and decentralized platform for tracking products from source to destination. By using blockchain technology, retailers can track the movement of products throughout the supply chain, from raw materials to finished products. This not only improves transparency and traceability but also helps retailers to identify and address potential supply chain issues, such as counterfeit products or unethical sourcing practices. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of AI-powered supply chains and blockchain technology. For example, implementing these technologies requires significant investment in infrastructure and training. Additionally, there are concerns around data privacy and security, particularly with regards to the collection and sharing of sensitive supply chain data. Another area where AI is making an impact in retail is in the development of chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide customers with personalized and immediate assistance, helping them to find products, make purchases, and get answers to their questions. Chatbots and virtual assistants use natural language processing, NLP, to understand customer queries and respond with relevant information. They can also learn from previous interactions to improve their responses over time. This not only improves the shopping experience for customers but also helps retailers to reduce their customer service costs. For example, some retailers are using chatbots and virtual assistants to provide customers with personalized recommendations based on their preferences and purchase history. These recommendations can help customers to discover new products and make informed purchasing decisions.